Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: square root of a over a equals to 3. And in this video we are going to show you two methods that we're going to use to solve this question nicely. Let's provide solution very quickly, so that here we have to copy square root of a over a equal to 3, and of course here you know that a is equals to 1, a equals to here 1 over 2, a power 1 over 2, which is equal to square root of a, then over a power 1, which equals to 3. So that here you know that when we are dividing we subtract power, so we shall get a power 1 over 2 then times a power 1, which is equals to negative here, so that will be equals to 3. So that what we have right here should be a, right? So that here shall get negative 1 over 2, which equals to 3. And of course we have here a power negative 1 over 2, then power negative 2, and it will be here 3 power negative 2. What you do on one side you have to do it on another side. So here should be a power 2 over 2 equal to here 1 over 3 squared. So we have a, which is equals to 1 over 9. So here second method, and here I have to copy, of course you have square root of a over a equals to 3, so that here the first thing here is to cross multiplication. Square root of a equals to 3a, so that here shall square both sides. Now to get a, which equals to 3a squared, and of course here you divide a, and of course here you divide a, you shall get 1 here, which is equals to, but here I have squared 9a, shall divide a here, shall divide 9, and here divide 9 to get a, which equals to 1 over 9. I think this is the simplest and fastest way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.